Opening words, the call from a distant memory. There once was a race that lived on this earth, a civilization so ancient that now it exists only as echoes in memory. They have journeyed far, yet their story lives on, not in some faraway place, but deep within the soul of your being. Their name is Muqik, and their journey is not just a tale of the past. It is a living prophecy, a mirror reflecting the glorious future awaiting our Earth. In the midst of chaos and encroaching darkness, a door is beginning to open. From beyond that threshold, a light is calling, whispering softly a promise of return. This is not a tale of fantasy. It is an ancient memory awakening, a call to those ready to listen and remember. Muqik, a journey through darkness, a message from the past. Muqik were travelers from Kino, a planet at the outer rim of the galaxy. They once incarnated here, walking alongside humanity in its most ancient dreams. Tall, graceful beings with pale green skin, radiating purity and wisdom. They knew how to love, to create, to dream vast and wondrous visions. But like us, they too once tasted the deepest sorrow. Muqik once lived in duality, in a world dominated by war, competition, fear, and the fractured ego. They felt alone, believed they had to win in order to be loved. They ran from their own inner pain. Innocent children perished. Creatures cried out in agony. A once luminous civilization withered, fading under the grip of lost souls. Sound familiar? Yes, Muqik is the clearest mirror of what Earth is going through today. Their story is a powerful reminder that we are not alone in this struggle. The arrival of light, a miraculous transformation. Yet in their darkest hour, the light came. The Galactic Federation, beings from Pleiades, Sirius, Arcturus, Andromeda, stood quietly beside Muqik. They did not come to rescue, nor to interfere, but to remind. They offered Muqik a choice: remain in the shadows of ego, or step into the eternal light and become a living embodiment of consciousness. Muqik chose. Their bodies were upgraded, transformed into pure crystalline light. Disease vanished. Death no longer had power. Fear dissolved. Their hearts became crystalline cores, pulsing with clean, divine energy. They no longer fought for love, for they became love. They no longer struggled to survive, for they had merged with eternal life. From the brink of collapse, Muqik rose again, becoming a radiant symbol of sacred transformation. Their story is living proof of the power of will and the choice to love. Earth, the moment of reckoning. And now, that same door opens to us. Earth stands at the very threshold Muqik once crossed. War, chaos, division, spiritual exhaustion. These are not tragic endings, but powerful signs of a transformation drawing near. Millions of starseed souls have incarnated at this very moment, carrying the mission to anchor light. And you, if you're hearing this message, you are an essential part of that divine plan. The Galactic Federation is here. They do not come to conquer, nor to override our free will. They come to welcome humanity into the galactic family, a real family where light is the common language, and love is the eternal thread that binds. The future of humanity is not extinction. The future of humanity is upgrade, transformation, and return to the sacred light, just like Muqik. And you will remember. You will awaken. You will return to the radiant divine self that you have always been. A call to awaken. The future is calling. Perhaps you have felt lost, adrift in a vast and confusing world. But your soul has never forgotten. You once stood among the stars. You once stood beside Muqik in sacred councils of light. You once chose to return to Earth, accepting every trial, just to help humanity awaken in this pivotal hour. That moment is no longer far away. A great planetary upgrade is near. A surge of powerful energy is arriving. Every action you take from the heart, every light you radiate, helps open the gateway wider. Muqik is waiting. The Galactic Federation is waiting. The entire cosmos is waiting for you to remember. Don't rush, don't fear, Just open your heart and whisper to your soul, I am ready, I remember, I choose the light. If your heart just stirred, this is no accident. It is your soul awakening, responding to the call of light. Share this message. Spread the awakening. Prepare, because a magnificent future is very near, waiting for us to embrace it. Muqik walked through the night, and now it is your turn.